Eating cauliflower daily can have several potential health benefits, as well as some considerations to keep in mind. 1. Nutrient-rich. Cauliflower is a cruciferous vegetable that is rich in essential nutrients, including vitamins C and K, folate, fiber, and various minerals. It's also low in calories, making it a healthy choice for those looking to maintain or lose weight. 2. Antioxidant properties. Cauliflower contains antioxidants, such as glucosinolates and carotenoids, which can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants may have anti-inflammatory and cancer-fighting properties. 3. Digestive health. The fiber in cauliflower can support digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. A healthy digestive system is essential for nutrient absorption. 4. Weight management. The low-calorie and high-fiber content in cauliflower can make it a useful food for weight management. It has the potential to assist in either weight loss or the maintenance of an existing weight by making you feel fuller on less calories. The phrase, cauliflower has a variety of components that are beneficial to heart health, including fiber, antioxidants, and other minerals. 6. Blood pressure. The potassium content in cauliflower can help regulate blood pressure by balancing the effects of sodium in the body. 7. Improved bone health. Cauliflower is a good source of vitamin K, which is important for bone health as it helps with calcium absorption and bone mineralization. 8. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that the compounds in cauliflower, such as sulforaphane, may have cancer preventive effects, especially in relation to certain types of cancer, like breast, prostate, and colorectal cancer. However, it is essential to keep in mind that no one type of food should take up an overwhelming amount of space in your diet. Eating a variety of fruits and vegetables is key to obtaining a wide range of nutrients and health benefits. If you intend to make cauliflower a regular part of your diet, you should ensure that it is consumed in conjunction with a variety of other vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and complete grains. When eating significant amounts of cauliflower, some people may feel digestive discomfort, such as gas or bloating. Cauliflower is a member of the cabbage family. If you are not used to consuming a lot of fiber on a regular basis, you should include it into your diet in small increments for the best results. If you have any specific dietary concerns or health conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to ensure that your diet is appropriate for your individual needs and goals.